We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog. After arriving at midnight in New York, I'm waking up now at 1 pm.
A few moments later.
And I'm all ready. Namaste and hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in to my vlog. I'm Prachi. I'm a senior purser with Qatar Airways. Let's enjoy this Christmas afternoon in the city of dreams and my favorite that too, New York in USA. Are you ready? Let's go. This is where I stay at 32nd Broadway Street in New York City. So this is the Broadway Street, guys. My hotel is right here. That's my hotel. It's very cold. And
head north on Broadway West toward West 32nd Street.
And chill there, have some coffee, have my brunch, followed by, let's see what else. Because I have only this few hours before I leave for my flight back to Doha, Qatar. So that's about it. And yes, I need to wear my gloves. It's super cold. Literally my first snow of the season. Guys, I'm going to Harold's for breakfast, for brunch. Let's go. Finally, my food is here. Some gluten-free bread, eggs, bacons, potatoes, and this stunning view. I'm done with my brunch. It's approximately 3 p.m. now, and let's go to the Times Square. Well, that's my most favorite spot here in NYC. Chalo. Well, all those people queuing up for Joe's Pizza are really brave. I'm not. It's super cold, it's windy, I'm literally freezing. And after walking for a bit, finally I'm here at the 42nd Street at the Times Square. Everyone, I have to express myself. बहुत ठंड है, बहुत हवा भी चल रही है. आप देख सकते हो और मेरा हाथ जिसमें मैंने कैमरा पकड़ा है ना, it's literally frozen. But I have to capture it and welcome to Times Square. Then I have done some shopping for my brother and sister. Right now I'm on my way to the Rockefeller Center to watch the most famous Christmas tree in the entire world. Not this one, but stay tuned, it shall be coming soon. And this is also very beautiful, isn't it? Here you go, guys. So here is the most famous Christmas tree in the entire world. Well, that's what they say. It's here, situated at the Rockefeller Center. Let's get a closer look at it and click some nice pictures too. I'm so happy, guys. Finally, I'm here in Christmas at New York in Times Square. This was my dream, and this is the first time ever in my 14 and a half years of flying with Qatar Airways. I thoroughly enjoyed being here.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's it on today's episode. I really hope you enjoyed this Christmas afternoon here in Times Square with me. Merry Christmas and a very happy and prosperous New Year. Stay blessed and keep living large. Bye.